This is a nice, pretty big safe. It's about 12 inch deep and 18 inch high. The width is about 14 to 15 inch. I'm not sure. Come with 2 physical key, and you can use a digital pad to open it once you set up the password. But first you need to open it manually first. So let's open up that emergency door. Use a key. It's hard to do with one-handed. Okay, open it. It's pretty thick, pretty heavy. It got 3 of the bolt locked. These are about almost an inch diameter. It comes with a drill hole, drill. You can use that to install onto yourself or your wall. Come with the nut and bolt. This is where you put the battery. Once I have the battery inserted, I can just press the reset button so I can set up my own personal code. So it display yellow light right now, so let's just do 6 digit. It set that code. So now I lock it. I take out my key. It's locked right now. Pressing the code. Strong code. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The light turned green. It's open. Pretty simple to set and use.